We set out to design the most advanced Beats earbuds ever. Earbuds that are comfortable, beautiful, and durable enough to handle whatever you throw at them. They're called Beats Fit Pro. We know a major issue with earbuds is the right fit and finding a product that won't fall out of your ears or feel uncomfortable when wearing them all day. With countless hours of development and research, Beats Fit Pro solves this issue with an innovative wingtip design that's flexible, soft, and stable. So these things aren't going anywhere. They also come with 3 different ear tips to fit any ear shapes and sizes, as well as to keep the sound in while ensuring incredible comfort. But these are Beats, and Beats Fit Pro are all about the music. Expect powerful and balanced sound due to a custom proprietary transducer that fits perfectly within the wingtip design. They also have spatial audio with dynamic head tracking, so it's like the sound literally moves with you. Using gyroscopes and accelerometers, Beats Fit Pro calibrates to your head's motion and its position to your compatible iPhone or iPad, giving you an immersive, multi-dimensional experience. A universal fit, all-day comfort, and Beats' signature sound. But it doesn't stop there. Equipped with the Apple H1 chip, the earbuds deliver a seamless ecosystem experience, including one-touch pairing, an ear tip test to ensure best fit, automatic switching between iCloud devices, audio sharing, hands-free access to Hey Siri, and Find My in iOS. We also included a host of other essential features like on-ear controls with 3 listening modes, active noise canceling to block out the world, transparency mode for when you need to hear what's going on around you, and adaptive EQ that automatically tunes the low and mid frequencies to the shape of your ear. Sweat and water resistant for all your high-intensity workouts. Remarkable battery life with a pocketable USB-C charging case, built-in optical sensors delivering autoplay pause, an efficient and convenient Beats app for Android users, and 4 stunning colors to choose from. So whether you're at the gym or on a work call, Beats Fit Pro are going to look, feel, and sound amazing.